Welcome to the Totally Honest Cooking Show. I'm Mark. Today we're making breakfast sandwiches. We're starting with English muffin breakfast sandwiches, and I'm just going to go ahead and cut my muffin in half. You could make your own English muffins. We will at some point do that. These are gluten-free. They're not as good as the originals. You can't really see as many nooks and crannies or anything like that. It makes me kind of sad. Anyway, enough about my crap. We're going to go ahead and toast these bad boys up. Then we're going to make some sandwiches. Sometime in the near future, we might experiment with making our own English muffins. So we're going to start by lightly buttering our English muffins. Butter is delicious, and you will be tempted to add more butter than you need to add. If you're going to do that, add it on at the end. You want just enough butter to toast. If you put too much on, you're going to sog it up, and you don't want to sog it up. You want to crisp it up. Okay. Let's throw this bad boy on there. Today we're approaching two options for English muffin sandwiches. If things go well and you like this, let me know in the comments. We'll make some more breakfast sandwiches, right? There's lots of different options. We're just going to do two today. This is what I think of as the egg mark muffin. McDonald's, you can't sue me. You've got the Egg McMuffin. I've got the Egg Mark Muffin. You've got the Big Mac. I've got the Big Mark. Also, Eddie Murphy coming to America. You can't sue me either. Yeah, I'm funny. Jerkins, tell them how funny I am. I'm so clever. Once they're beautiful and toasty, look at that toast. That's a good toast. I'm going to go ahead and add more butter. And now we're going to go ahead and add our bacon to our skillet. For breakfast sandwiches, I usually do 3 strips of bacon cut in half. That way we can kind of do a lattice work thing. You'll see in a sec. As your bacon finishes, make sure you evacuate it from the pan. Okay, let's drain off our bacon. Save some of the fat, but you don't need all of that. Okay, now we've got our cheese at the ready. American cheese, because you want it to melt. Throw our bacon back on. And you're going to cross-hatch the bacon like this. Then you're going to throw your cheese right on top of your bacon. If you want, you can throw a little bowl over it. Give it a minute. Woo! Hot. Use a pot holder for that, kids. Okay. Once your cheese has started to melt a little bit, you're going to go ahead and evacuate the bacon. Swirl our fat back up. Quick scramble. Okay, the bowl trick was worth doing. But use a pot holder, because that smarts a little bit. Okay, once your egg is fried, you're going to go ahead and fold it. Don't forget to season. Pepper. And some salt. There we go. Put it right on top. And breakfast is ready. Here's our sandwich. Look at that. That's good too. Okay. Quick, easy breakfast sandwich. That's one way to do it. But you can also take some of our homemade sausage blend, craft yourself a couple patties, and plop them down. So that's what we're gonna do. So I've broken it down to 3 patties over medium, low, medium, somewhere in there. This stove tends to run hot, just in general. Not a great apartment. And as they start looking done, you can go ahead and flip them. If they don't look done enough, go ahead and flip them back. We are aiming for an internal temperature of around 165. And then we're gonna slap some cheese on these bad boys. And once that cheese is nice as melted, we're just gonna go ahead and transfer it onto our waiting muffin. Now the sausage doesn't give up quite as much fat as the bacon, so you might have to add a little oil here. Then we're gonna go ahead and crack our egg. And this time we're going for the kind of egg that has a runny yolk. Either sunny side up or over easy is my preference here. Wait till these edges get a little bit more crispy, you know. If you're gonna put a sunny side up egg on a breakfast sandwich, you gotta have crispy edges. Give it a couple seconds on the other side. Oop. Prematurely broken. That'll be okay. I got most of it. That doesn't even count as a whoopsie doodle. Look at that. Nice. Okay, like, subscribe, click that little bell, and I'll see you next time. See you next Wednesday. Bye.